like misty and rainy this morning. We just tried to walk to the beach and the sand was like sticking. So hopefully it'll clear up soon. It's supposed to be sunny today. So we're gonna go get breakfast. It's been raining all morning. We postponed the beach. Hopefully it'll quit. We're gonna go to the cheese factory for a while just because we haven't been there and it's indoors. So hopefully our last day doesn't end in just rain all day. See some boats on the water, but it's really foggy.
My name is Peter Stedler. I'm the sensory manager here at Tillamook. I'm in charge of listening and evaluates our products with your electric.
When you're not hungry, but you come to the cheese factory and you gotta eat some cheese. There's cheese curds in there, and there's some cheese curds there. See that? It's cheese curds. Cheese curds. Amazing. Yeah. Last day on the beach. Finally stopped raining. It's really cloudy today. Can't even see the rocks. Barely. Yeah, there. We have 2 hours until the sun sets, so we're out here enjoying every minute of it on our last day. Joe brought the fancy chair out to the beach. We got our drinks there. Yeah. Really happy it cleared up and it wasn't raining anymore, and yeah, exciting. He's just not gonna leave us. He's just gonna chill.